If you're a last-minute shopper or you love someone who is, don't worry, I've got you, as always. Here's where the fun begins. Because you're not having fun yet, are you? Or are you? So, these are splurge-worthy gifts that feel extremely elevated, but still practical, I would say, and wearable, and it'll last you a lifetime. I understand makeup expires. However, if I don't see mold on it and it doesn't smell funky, I'm using it until it does. Let's start with Beckham Beauty 2150 Ravie fragrance. I wish there was a scratch and sniff setting. This feels like gifting someone a freaking moment. Fun fact, I gifted Leah Remini this for her birthday and she absolutely loves it. I wear this daily and I love all Beckham Beauty anything. I mean, her scents are just, it has this like musk yet feminine, not too masculine, dreamy, intimate, comforting type scent. It is memorable. It comes with her hand cream as well, which smells very similar to obviously the perfume, but this is gorgeous. If you know of anybody who maybe leans towards loving more of the woody, masculine like myself, like I love men's cologne and I definitely gravitate more towards the woody, grainy, I would say musk type scents that definitely smell more like men's cologne than perfume. So I would absolutely love this. Let's move on to the one and only Charlotte Tilbury MBE. Charlotte Tilbury not only is known for one of the most legendary makeup artists in the world, she makes the most legendary lipsticks in the world. These are not the 3 specific shades, but I just wanted to show you and swatch a couple of shades that I do have. Rare, right, that you see anything on sale as far as Charlotte Tilbury goes, but she is currently selling some beautiful gift sets, and I'm about to show you something real fancy. It took my breath away. This is just a beautiful formula. She's known for her Pillow Talk shade. You're getting basically 3 lipsticks, and you're getting this on Amazon. If you were to order it, let's say tomorrow, it'll arrive, it says here, 12 days before Christmas. 3 full-size matte Revolution lipsticks with iconic Hot Lips makeup bag. Holla! This makes for a beautiful, beautiful Christmas gift. And this is all that you'll need to get. So it's currently 25% off. And I'm telling you, they're never on sale, Charlotte Tilbury. $78. You're getting 3 signature shades. Let me tell you specifically, you're getting the Red Carpet Red, Pillow Talk, and M.I. Kiss. Here, this is Pillow Talk that I'm going to show you right now, actually. This is one of the shades that you'll be getting. And it's creamy. It's just yet matte. I love a matte yet creamy formula because it doesn't look like you're The Walking Dead. But I have Walk of No Shame, which is a little bit not as red as her Red Carpet Red, but it's in the same family. It's more of a burgundy color, which I prefer anyway, for me, that is. But yeah, you can never go wrong with Charlotte Tilbury. Everybody and their mother knows who Charlotte Tilbury is. May we bow down to the one and only Charlotte Tilbury gorgeousness. I mean, if this is not a dream, I'm not sure what is, folks. Take a good look at this beauty. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Dreams Come True set. If you want a one-and-done showstopper as far as gifts go, this, my friend, is it, okay? The retail value is ginormous, and the curation is absolutely perfection and foolproof, okay? If I may say so myself. Packaging is everything. As you know, I'm a stickler for packaging. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? This is such a perfect little travel makeup case. You will be the most popular person. Let's say your daughter loves makeup. Do it. Just do it. It is retailing currently at, and they're selling out fast, as you can imagine. This is Don't Die, but it's $390 and it's worth every penny. Okay, the value, and it is true, believe me, the value is at $532. So you're getting it at a great price. This is the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat. Beautiful, it's gorgeous. It goes perfectly with her signature lip color, which is Pillow Talk. Dun, da, da, da. Not only do you get one Okay, lip gloss, you get 2, and you get the Plumpgasm one. That just makes your lips look like you just got injections. Pillow Talk, I just showed you that. I think this is the same one that I showed you earlier. I'm never gonna get through this. Look how big that is. This is her Plumpgasm in the shade Pillow Talk Medium. It's not too tingly, it's just perfect. The Pillow Talk Collagen Lip Bath. Yeah, bathe in this, folks. This is also in the shade Pillow Talk. So you've got cohesive colors, and this combo is just classic. You can never go wrong with it. We have mascara, push-up lashes, Dream Pop, and Super Black. This is the shade Black. Ooh, it's brown. Perfect. You know what I've been doing lately? Fun fact. Black mascara on top, brown in the bottom. Brown in the bottom is where it's at in 2026, just saying. Yes, their famous eyeliner. This is very long lasting. It's creamy, it's yummy. It is Gorgina. We've got 2 palettes, eyeshadow palettes, and these, my friends, aren't cheap. I actually used this not exact, but this palette on my sister for her rehearsal dinner, and she absolutely loved it. This is in the shade Pillow Talk. These are just gorgeous formulas. I've done so many different eye looks with just using this. If I were to travel, which I am soon, I'm only bringing this. And we've got another eyeshadow palette, but Luxury Palette of Pops. Ooh, I don't have this one. Uh-oh. I might have to put an old palette in here and just swap it. Just kidding. Or am I? Look at that. That's gorgeous. Look at that finish. Oh my God. Why don't I have that? Ew. Why don't I? Oh my God. It's calling my name. Is this my Christmas gift to myself? Or no? No. Her wands. Yeah. Wave this around a couple times and you're going to look like your makeup was airbrushed. Because this, though an oldie, still a goodie. Very much relevant still. Cheek to Chic blush. Looks like a donut. Eyes to Mesmerize. I've got a couple shades of this. This is like a cloudy, one and done for sure eyeshadow formula. This is perfect for anyone with dry eyelids like myself. I have almost every shade and I love them. It's like a mousse type feeling. Last but not least, Lip and Cheek Glow. Perfect for winter. Gorgina. This is in the shade Color of Dreams. Yeah, you are getting 2 showstoppers here, my friends. This is the Danessa Myricks new eyeshadow palette. Danessa is one of the most innovative formulas in the industry, and her artistry and just her as a person, from what I've seen, is so inspiring. She's gorgeous. She loves what she does. You can tell she's got such a passion for the artistry of makeup and beauty. And for someone who just wants artistry level pigment, I mean, you guys, look at this. You're gonna die. Look at that shine. If this is not metallic, I don't know what is. I mean, look at the pigment, you guys. Here, let me try this blue one. Look at that. I'm barely putting my finger or any pressure on it. Can you see this? Say what? Work it, twerk it. Not only do you get a mixture of metallics and neutrals, which is perfect, but this is a magnetic palette, right? You can take them out. How easy is it to travel with? And you can also use this magnetic palette for any other eyeshadows. These are magnetized, so you can stack them. And Lightwork Volume 7 Freedom Palette. It's a mirror. Look what I just did. Did you see that? Did you catch that, folks? Yep, I took that off. And I'm going to use it as a cover. And it also comes with a little like sunglass case that you can easily just, you put this in here, you throw it in your purse, you throw it in your carry-on, and you've got yourself a portable, gorgeous metallic finish with neutrals, eyeshadow palette, Danessa Myricks. Your one innovative queen. Worth every penny. 18 different colors. Like basically 3 eyeshadow palettes in one. $128. I don't know what I would rather have, Charlotte Tilbury or this. It's too hard to choose. But if you wanted a cheaper version of like something that's jaw-dropping as far as makeup goes, I would go with this. Easily. but hurry because they're selling out fast. You got to take into consideration the shipping and all of that, okay? I just love makeup. I'm just so excited. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Dior Addict Glow Butter. Cute little set. I have them all, as always. The formula is gorgeous, but what's even better, why haven't I thought about this? The little, these little charms. I mean, charms are in right now, and these are just gorgeous colors. I'm going to actually put one on for you as it goes with my lips, and I used it already today. A universal crowd pleaser, hydrating, flattering, buttery, and beautifully packaged. Just how I like it. We're going to talk about the Dior Spectacular set. I don't have it, but I'm going to pop it up here. Just anything Dior, okay? It's perfect, well, except for the advent calendar. Stay far away from that thing. It's perfect, elevated, luxury. Their set of glow butter, lip glow butters, or you can get this perfect, elevated luxury moment for someone who already basically has, so they say, everything. They'll still be super impressed. You can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with Dior. Moving on to a newer brand. Ravie Beauty is a newer brand, I believe, but they have some really great products. They don't sell their products at Sephora. These blushes, look how big they are. They're youthful, they're flattering for so many different skin tones. Youth skin, but glowing aesthetic. It's baked blush brush. I'm a huge fan. I have about 4 of these. They also have the best sharpeners ever. Look at that. So beautiful. This brush is just so perfect. It's not too big, but it also covers the area that you want it to cover. This is in the shade that I'm using, Paradise. So the Pinky Peach bundle, you get 2 lipsticks, which I have, but I didn't bring them out. Lip liners are divine. I think there's this almond shade in here that is just gorgeous. But anyway, going back to this pink peachy bundle, this is going for currently 80 bucks. However, it's on sale. Originally, it went for $102. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. But it's basically their #1 sheer buildable lip formula in 2 flattering shades. You're going to get Peony Petal Pink and Poppy Soft Coral, paired with one of their luxury creamy baked blush in Daydream, which is this one, a peachy tone to it. This comes with the bundle, and it's just a seamless application every single time. Anyway, this is worth it. It's gorgeous. For anyone who may have somebody who has everything as far as makeup brands go, say to you, oh, I don't need any more makeup. Get this brand. This is something that they will love. They also have the best eyebrow pencils as well. This is their newer product. I broke mine by accident. I broke it. This Signature Skin Dream Barrier Cream. This is a beautiful cream that you can use alone as part of your nighttime routine, but I like to use it for both morning and night, and it doesn't peel under makeup. Yeah, gorgeous. And it's so hydrating. You only need a little bit. Sometimes I like to mix this in with my foundation, depending on if my foundation I feel is a little too thick. Beautiful moisturizer. And yeah, I broke it, so it's been a little difficult, but that's not stopping me from using it, that's for sure. This right here, the YSL Golden Oasis Face Palette Luxe, is a collectible, and it's currently on sale. This palette looks stunning. Not just on your face, but on a vanity. Candy Glaze YSL, they come in a set of 2 with a gorgeous gold YSL golden cream colored box. Beautiful lip color. It's sheer, yet it has a little pigment. It is definitely a very unique formula that only they've been able to really achieve. Let's talk Merit. One of their standout products for me is their lip and cheek balm. Think of it, Merit, as like somebody who's a minimalist who loves the no makeup look. This is a great brand for them. Beginner friendly. It's basically for the person who wants to look polished. Going back to Victoria Beckham. Now, I can't find this specific set being sold in the States. However, I highly suggest you buying them individually and making it into a set. I love her satin kajal eyeliners, if you can't tell. These creamy freaking eyeliners the best. But I just wanted to show you how creamy the formula is. You definitely can't go wrong with this. Look at that blue. Oh, gorgeous. And on the other side, you can smudge it out and they don't dry too fast. I mean, I would love to get a set of these satin kajal liners. And it's not like the ordinary gift, like lipsticks, lip glosses. Like, how many can you give? These are special. Moving on to the last luxury item as far as makeup products go. Starting to be definitely one of my favorite brands of all time. Violette FR. Look how cute this bag is. I just got a bunch for my family. Like a bunch of these little gift sets. Look at how cool this packaging is. God, love. She gets it. You know. Packaging is everything. So what comes in this set is their famous lip nectar in Rose de Moab. I have 2 of every shade. This is like a caramel latte formula, high shine lip stain. So I'm not going to put it on, but I can swatch it for you. It's Chef's Kiss. It's affordable. The set goes for $74. I know that sounds like a lot, but let me show you the other 2 products you're getting with it. You're going to also be getting a cream apricot pink blush, cream blush. Has a brush on one side and the blush on this side. You're going to get also the highlighter. Ooh, if you have the Victoria Beckham highlighting stick, this is similar, but not, because the formula is very much Violette FR formula, which is like a smooth blurring formula in everything I think that she created. Anyway, worth every penny for sure. I got a few of these. You can't go wrong with the sets. Moving on to makeup brushes, luxury. These are such great tools. They change the outcome of your glam more than almost anything else. Patrick Ta Artistry brush set, one of the highest performing brush sets available, and it's on sale. Next, we've got the Rephr. 10 out of 10, folks. Beloved for a reason, okay? Handcrafted, efficient, and professional grade. Detailed, love it. Rephr, I bow down. I salute you, I mean. Hourglass, face and eye, travel brush set. Though this is not the travel size, there are a smaller size and it's cheaper than what I got this for. For the friend with impeccable taste, these blend like a freaking dream, folks. Next, we've got Details by Tati. Shout out to Tati. Essential set. I have all of her 3, I think there's 3 sets. They're beautifully curated from someone who truly understands makeup application. And we've got the one and only BK Beauty Travel Set and Signature Trio. Holla. I own these and obviously, and I absolutely love them. The way that they have designed their travel bags to then fit their travel sized brushes, spectacular. Perfection, chef's kiss. Next, we've got Nikki LaRose, the one and only, for the friend who just wants a real makeup artist experience at home. This set looks and feels premium. What a great Christmas gift. I hope this guide made your last minute shopping easier and a lot more fun. Every product here was selected with intention. Gifts that elevate someone's daily rituals, spark joy, or just simply make them feel seen. Hit that subscribe button, bell notification. We're going to be doing one more big giveaway here soon. Happy gifting, happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video.